Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I am going to describe about recruitment of Customer Service Associates CSA through IBPS 2026 MCQs for preliminary examination study material. Welcome to part 7 of my Path to the Corner Office 2026-2027 series, where we break down real IBPS CSA 2026 preliminary examination questions and give you clear, practical sample answers to help you. This study material covers the major topics, important concepts, and exam-oriented multiple choice questions to help candidates prepare systematically and confidently. The subject, English language, reading comprehension. Passage 1. The rapid digitization of banking services in India has transformed how millions of people access financial products. What was once confined to brick and mortar branches is now available at the tap of a screen. Mobile banking applications allow customers to transfer funds, pay bills, and even apply for loans without visiting a branch. However, this shift has also exposed a significant portions of the rural populations to risks they are ill-equipped to handle, particularly cyber fraud and phishing scams. Financial institutions have responded by launching awareness campaigns, but experts argue that digital literacy programs must be integrated into broader financial inclusion strategies rather than treated as an afterthought. The Reserve Bank of India has repeatedly emphasized that the benefits of digital banking can now only be fully realized when customer trust and security go hand in hand with convenience. Question. According to the passage, what has been the major consequences of banking digitization? Option A, increased branch visits. Option B, exposure of rural populations to cyber fraud risks. Option C, decline in mobile banking usage. Option D, reduction in loan applications. Correct answer is option B, exposure of rural populations to cyber fraud risks. Question. What do experts suggest regarding digital literacy programs? Option A, they should be discontinued. Option B, they should be treated as an afterthought. Option C, they should be integrated into financial inclusion strategies. Option D, they should focus only on urban areas. Correct answer is option C, they should be integrated into financial inclusion strategies. Question. What has the RBI emphasized repeatedly? Option A, convenience matters more than security. Option B, customer trust and security must accompany convenience. Option C, branches should close mentality. Option D, loans should be digitized only. Correct answer is option B. Customers' trust and security must accompany convenience. Question. Which word from the passage is closest in the meaning to phishing? Option A, legitimate transactions. Option B, a fraudulent attempt to obtain sensitive information. Option C, a type of loan. Option D, a banking regulation. Correct answer is option B, a fraudulent attempt to obtain sensitive information. Question. What is the tone of the passage? Option A, purely celebratory. Option B, balanced, acknowledging both benefits and risks. Option C, entirely critical. Option D, dismissive of digital banking. Correct answer is option B, balanced, acknowledging both benefits and risks. Passage 2. Inflation at its core represents a sustained increase in the general price level of goods and services in an economy over time. While moderate inflation is often considered a sign of a healthy, growing economy, runaway inflation erodes purchasing power and disproportionately affects lower income households who spend a larger share of their earnings on essentials. Central banks typically respond to rising inflation by tightening monetary policy, most commonly through interest rate hikes, which make borrowing more expensive and consumption less attractive. This in turn is intended to cool demand and stabilize prices. However, such measures come with trade-offs, including slower economic growth and in extreme cases unemployment. Striking the right balance between controlling inflation and sustaining growth remains one of the most delicate tasks facing policymakers. Question. What does the passage say about moderate inflation? Option A, it is always harmful. Option B, it is open sign of healthy economy. Option C, it has no relations to economic health. Option D, it only affects wealthy households. Correct answer is option B. It is often a sign of healthy economy. Question: how do central banks typically respond to rising inflation? Option A, by lowering interest rates. Option B, by printing more currency. Option C, by tightening monetary policy through interest rate hikes. Option D, by increasing government spending. Correct answer is option C, by tightening monetary policy through interest rate hikes. Question: who is disproportionately affected by runaway inflation? According to the passage, option A, lower income households. Option B, central banks. Option C, foreign investors. Option D, large corporations. Correct answer is option A, lower income households. Question: what is a possible trade-off of a tightening monetary policy? Option A, faster economic growth. Option B, slower economic growth and possible unemployment. Option C, reduced interest rates and higher purchasing power. Option D, higher purchasing power. Correct answer is option B, slower economic growth and possible unemployment. Question: the word erodes in the passage most nearly means option A, strengthens. Option B, gradually wears away. Option C, multiplies. Option D, stabilizes. Correct answer is option B, gradually wears away. Thank you very much for your patience. Request to like, subscribe and share.